Alcohol based fuels, changing prospect for liquid fuels, the increment of global demand for liquid fuel, the evolution of transportation sector and the environmental situation have influenced the intense search for new alternative liquid fuels. Alcohol type fuels are well established and widely available throughout the world. The advantage of alcohol type fuel is that it lowers the rate of pollution than the petroleum based fuels, and they can be used in blends or high purity concentration. According to the carbon number, the alcohol liquid fuels are different types. Now we will discuss in detail about each alcohol fuel. Methanol. It is the simplest form of alcohol with one carbon atom. It is also known as wood alcohol. Methanol can be used as liquid transportation fuel, extractant, solvent, or as a feedstock for producing methyl tertiary butyl ether. Methanol can be used in pure form 100% as a substitute for gasoline, that is petrol, or as a blend of 85% methanol and 15% gasoline. Methanol is mainly produced from nearly all biomass, including animal waste, through a thermochemical process known as gasification. It can also be produced in a laboratory using electrolysis or enzymatic process. Methanol can also be produced from the syngas. Syngas is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen in the ratio of 2:1. The syngas is then reacted over a catalyst at elevated temperatures and pressure to form methanol. We will discuss this syngas in detail in the next module, gas biomass. Ethanol. Ethanol is mostly produced by alcoholic fermentation of sugars under anaerobic conditions. Ethanol anaerobic fermentation by yeast. Sugar, that is glucose, in anaerobic fermentation, 2 molecules of ethanol is produced. During this anaerobic fermentation, 2 molecules of carbon dioxide is released. We will discuss in detail about fermentation in the later module. Sugar plants, cane, beet, cereal plants, corn, wheat, barley, cellulosic plants, agriculture residues, wood residues are the main sources of ethanol. Among these sources, lignocellulosic materials are considered as a potential source of low cost ethanol production because utilizing food crops for ethanol production will create a competition between food and biofuel.